Before we begin cleaning the restroom, we'll need to prepare the system. In this video, we'll set up the chemical for automatic and precise dilution, fill the system with water, and gather all of our tools. Each Kaivac comes equipped with an integrated chemical injection system. Kaivac models 1750, 2750, and 2150 are equipped with a dual chemical system, and Kaivac models 1250 and the OSV50 are equipped for a single chemical. Either way, setting it up is very easy. To begin, insert the draw tube that came in your case of chemical into the chemical bottle. This is very important. You won't be able to draw chemical without it. Next, select and insert the appropriate metering tip as indicated on the placard or chemical bottle. Each tip allows for a specific dilution ratio, which can be found on the metering tip bag. The black metering tip should be used for daily cleaning and has a dilution ratio of 2 ounces per gallon. The aqua tip, at 4 ounces per gallon, can be used for periodic cleaning. The orange tip should be used if you are cleaning the restroom on a weekly basis. It delivers 5 ounces per gallon. The tan metering tip should only be used for project cleaning and special cases. It has a dilution ratio of 10 ounces per gallon. Your NoTouch cleaning system shipped with the orange metering tip already installed. Usually, after a few cleanings, you can step down to the aqua or black tips depending on the cleaning frequency. To install the metering tip, simply insert it into the chemical line cap and make sure it snaps snugly into place. Then attach the cap to the chemical line and twist it onto the chemical bottle. When you're ready to draw chemical, use the chemical selector valve to turn on or select the appropriate cleaning chemical. For systems with a dual chemical system, turn the selector valve until it points to the appropriate chemical line. For single chemical systems, turn the selector to the on position. We strongly recommend using Kaivac's chemicals in your system. Not only do they provide excellent results, but they won't harm your equipment. In fact, we extend our warranty to customers who use our products exclusively. Check with your Kaivac representative for more information. Now that the chemical is set up, we'll fill the fresh water tank using the universal fill hose. Attach the fill hose to the faucet and turn on the cold water. Fill the fresh water tank to capacity to reduce trips to the maintenance closet for refilling. If your system has a sight gauge, you can use it to determine when the fresh water tank is full. Add 2 capfuls of Kai Dry to the fresh water tank to prevent spotting. For OmniFlex spray and vac systems, use a hose to fill the trolley bucket with cold water. Never put chemical in the trolley bucket when using the pump system to avoid damaging the pump. Use the sight gauge on the rear of the trolley bucket to determine when it's filled. Now, we'll gather all the tools we'll need for cleaning. Make sure that the vacuum wand and squeegee brush head, the instant drain tool, the window squeegee, and the tote bag containing the blow hose and other accessories are attached to the system. We'll also need a towel during cleaning, so be sure you have the smart towel that came with your system handy. In the next video modules, we'll clean the restroom using the letters and the word simple to describe the process in detail and help us remember each step. When the system is set up, continue to the next module to get started.